plastic friend. The activity you like or don't like, and then put the name on the chart. On this chart, for example, so you guys look at me. For example, I like to listen to music. Then I will put my name here because I like to listen to music. Okay, guys, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, do you understand? Yeah. Okay. So 130, just 130. Okay. Write down your nickname. Don't worry.
I like pizza.
Write just only your name on this one. Just only the name. Okay, your name. Then you stand up. I like to listen to music. And then you have to stay here. Right? But if I say, I don't like to shopping. I dislike to shopping. I have to put this one in. In this like. The over is like and the lower. Okay, who's gonna start first? Okay, so you. What do you like? You like to shop.
Ôi, con kẹp bị vốt đúng này hả?